now.
You reboot it?
No, you didn't have it.
No, Tommy just showed me. Hey guys, how was your trip today?
Hey,
Mom, let me the box. Beautiful.
Frank, what are you doing over there?
small bags.
Frank,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Carving the fish.
Frank.
It's a sin to leave it like this. You gotta, you know.
Because of Tommy, I'm taking this video. Thank you, Tommy.
Hello.
Yeah, I would say so.
There's the heart. It's disgusting. Let's go see the,
He's going to talk to you now.
he is? Wait.
How are you?
My
Frankie did
I got a goiter.
Now we will interview the losing side. So,
how'd that work out for you?
how'd that work out? The consolation prize is below.
How'd it work out
No,
for
it didn't do too well.
Go ahead, Frank.
you? Frank.
You really got small mouths though, huh? These things?
I'm on a leash.
I'm on a leash.
I'm on a leash.
The first question we came in 20 years of the club, you think the fish and chairman would come over?
Douchebag.
I'm on a leash. I'm on a leash.
Cosa merda faccio un qua?
You don't need it.
Non need.
You don't need it.
You don't need.
Oh, what?
You
Frank.
need.
You don't need it, no fade.
Faccio lugar. Arrosti.
Girls need the dead animal.
Oh my God.
Arrosti.
Mikey.
Over and out.